Good morning, class 5. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about chapter 2, that is Animal World. In this chapter, we had already discussed a lot of topics, means 90% of the topics we had already discussed in this chapter. Today we are going to discuss about the last topic in this chapter, and that is called migration. So let's start the discussion of this topic, migration. So as we know, migration is the mass movement of animals in response to climatic change. Means suppose if an animal or a group of animal living at a place, and somehow or due to the seasonal changes the climate becomes harsh, means very tough climate, like too much cold is there or too much hot is there. So what animals move from one place to another place in search of food and to avoid harsh weather for breeding purpose. Okay, class. So this is why animals or a group of animals move from one place to another place. So under this condition, there are some certain examples which tells us that huge number of animals migrate for a huge distance. Okay, class, for a huge distance, like Arctic tern. So Arctic tern is a bird who migrate from Arctic Circle to Antarctic Circle and again back to the Arctic Circle. So almost it covers the whole earth. It travels the whole earth. Okay, class. So this is how animals migrate. Next animal comes Siberian crane. They came to India every winter. They come to India every winter for breeding season. What happens in winter season? Siberia is a very cold place. So the weather condition becomes very harsh and they are not able to survive in that cold. So they migrate from Siberia and come to India for breeding purpose and also to save themselves from the harsh climatic condition. Okay, class. So this is how Siberian crane move from one Siberia to India. Next example is salmon fish. Salmon fish, they live in the sea. Most time of their life they spend in the sea. But for the breeding purpose, it comes to river after covering a huge distance, long distance, and then it lays eggs in the river, and these eggs hatched and they take the baby and again go back to the sea. This is how salmon fish migration pattern is. This is what is the migration pattern of salmon fish. Next comes the locusts and monarch butterfly. These are the insects. Locusts are the insects and they travel a huge distance. And when they travel in a huge group. And whatever crop comes in their way, they destroy the crop. Maybe maize, maybe rice, maybe wheat, whatever. They destroy the whole crop and they move from one place to another place. This is what locust is. Then comes the monarch butterfly. Monarch butterfly from Canada to North America to Mexico. From Canada and North America to Mexico. They cover this much distance. Canada means North America and Mexico means South America. So from North America they come to South America, one continent to other continent. So I hope you are able to understand this, that animals, huge group of animals move from one place to other place to avoid harsh climatic condition, for breeding purpose, and for food. So this is how migration is the pattern of migration is present in animals. I hope you are able to understand this lecture well. If any problem class, ask me. I will help you. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.